I let it run for 5 minutes to heat up the oil. I got a skateboard, which is kind of perfect to lean it forward. Cut out a little piece of paper plate and container here. Kind of works pretty awesome. Pull the drawer. And okay, you have the idea. Beautiful, no mess. Easiest ever. Okay, well, that took about 5-10 minutes. I don't know, I was inside. I got some leftover, so this will end up being empty because there's about 16 ounces in it, and I'll only need about 3 ounces of the new one, and then I can just dump this old oil into here and dispose. Yeah, super clean. Got a little paper towel, just gonna wipe it off. I removed the skateboard, but I kind of left this here while I remove the pan, and I'm only running propane, so much cleaner. Gonna try and only run propane, and I got plenty of, yeah. Wiped everything up. Just enough until the blue lines meet. I forgot I gotta put this back. Super easy. And then we got the dipstick over here. Got me a handy dandy funnel. Alright, so got my funnel, and I got about 17, 16, 18. And you're supposed to store it with an 18 to 20, or 18 to 19 for the, says the manufacturer. Good to go. Alright, close everything up.